Let me see you stopping. Say, whoa. Okay, let me see you back him up. Pull back. Say, back. Say, back. Pull. Okay, that's good. Now push your hand forward. Kick him with your feet just a little bit. Hold your hand up to turn. There you go. Very good.
Oh, this horse is easy.